Gcash.
We're gonna ask
Pero
pa
no
Gcash them.
Gcash, no Gcash.
Dapat we're the ones earning, not them. Your eyes are very beautiful. Thank you. Can you guys send us Lion, please? Let's sleep. Please sleep now. Sleep.
Wala ko ba?
Wala yung baby.
Ano malaki ako, bebe?
Ewan ko. Di mo kilala?
Bago lang, may nagsend sa Gcash.
Yeah, we're paldo. Guys, can you send us Lion, please?
Ano, thank you for the heart. Ano ba yung sinisend dyan?
Ha?
Ano ba yung sinisend dyan?
Roses.
Roses. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses.
Thank you for the roses. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. Ay, what time we're gonna leave? 9:20.
9:30 na.
9:20 na, because we're gonna film.
Oo nga.
We're gonna film TikToks pa in the elevator. Ask Enzo to send you Lion. Please do. Please do ask. Please do ask. And ask also if,
ba yan?
ano, Emong423. What's your real name, Emong423?
Natakot ako ah.
Di ba yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Bagyo yun eh.
Awe?
Di ba yun yung bagyo last time? Yun yung bagyo last time? Yes or guess?
Mapahula ko ito sa Quiapo.
Can you step on the live for a Nicki Minaj edit? No. We're too shy for
Ano
that.
yung name na edit?
I don't know. Leave na ako, miss ko na sita. Ah, who the fuck are you? Oh, na-eat.
Ako rin parang gusto ko.
I'm gonna eat. Let's eat na lang kaya
Sa? Mahal.
No, it's like the same. Same prices.
Isa. Ano lang tayo sa ito?
Shit.
Here ko naman ako.
Kaya
Sino yan? Nanonood pa ba yun?
ang wide talaga ng... yun pala yun. Who is you, Emong? Kasama ko lang kanina.
Dito mo ata yan. Sino yan?
I don't know, bro.
Send Robux. Uy, hi, Talia daw.
Where?
Siya. Anong pangalan niya? Ito.
Hi,
Jesus ni Dianla.
underscore ni underscore DYAN underscore la.
Hello?
Hi, thank you for the finger heart.
Oh, hindi pa.
Virgin King, KFC.
Yeah.
Not sponsored, by the way. Feeling.
Guys, magpi-PBB ba siya?
I think we're gonna leave at 9:20 na.
Eh.
We have to leave at 9:20, bro.
Oo.
Gusto ko daw makita ng friend niyang bulag.
I cannot be.
Guys, who's in BGC? Pull up,
Cannot
please. And then adopt us. If you see us, please adopt us.
Sino ba yan?
I don't know.
Ba't kilala ka?
Pangalan ko malamang Talia.
Ay, oo nga no.
Please call Enzo to pick you up. Who are you? Who even are you, bro? Guys, we're gonna leave at exactly 9:20 because we have to leave.
Ano ko 9:30?
9:20 because we have to film And just, we're gonna have to, retouch.
Yeah. Guys, check out yung lipi ko. Fili. Hindi,
Sa yellow basket?
Wala akong yellow basket.
Walang naman ang affiliation.
Promise, ang ganda.
Hello.
For your girlfriends, for your like... Nakaban ako, ha?
Gawin mo si Maris R.
Rakal?
Full daw. Mga feeling maganda.
Feel ko talaga. Feel ko talaga. Subukan yun. Ha? Hindi ka pa.
Can I follow you on Grammy? Yes, please. Pull up, yes, please. Sino?
Ako.
Ba't ka alam mo, girl? Flutter na may Gucci. I don't wanna go shoot. I'm
Ang ganda
facing the
talaga
same
nito.
cooler. Kiss your discounts on my cougar. Back in the 6th grade, I don't know the Americans. I don't know my tutor.
Uy, inalis mo ba Gcash ko sa'yo?
Ha?
Inalis mo Gcash ko sa'yo?
Wala akong Gcash. I don't have a Gcash app.
Nag-text Gcash sa akin.
Wala akong Gcash na app.
Ako tuloy ako.
Wala akong Gcash na app. Alam mo yung